case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1996, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Wisconsin v. City of New York, which focused on the government's discretion in conducting the census. The case was prompted by the Secretary of Commerce's decision not to use statistical adjustment to correct an undercount in the 1990 census, which disproportionately affected minority groups. The Census Bureau had proposed the adjustment, but the Secretary overruled this decision. The Court of Appeals had previously found that the Secretary's decision negatively impacted certain minority groups and the right to vote. However, the Supreme Court disagreed, ruling that the Secretary had the discretion to conduct the census as long as it complied with the Constitution's equal representation goal. According to the Census Act, the Secretary of Commerce is responsible for taking the census, which is critical in determining the apportionment of members of the House of Representatives, electoral college votes, and influencing federal funding and political districts. The Supreme Court ultimately upheld Congress's broad discretion in this matter, stating that the one-person, one-vote standard was not applicable to federal government censuses. The court further concluded that the Secretary's decision not to adjust the 1990 census using statistical data derived from the post-enumeration survey was entirely reasonable and in line with the Constitution's text and history. The case affirmed the government's ability to use its judgment in conducting the census, as long as the process is fair and follows the Constitution.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.